Hello, welcome guys. I'll be talking about C++ Builder. C++ Builder is an integrated development environment for Windows that is used to develop native application in C++. So the IDE was developed by Embarcadero Technologies. If you don't have it, you can just Google online C++ Builder, free or community edition. You just get the IDE. So today we'll be talking about VCL application. VCL, which means Visual Component Library. It is a framework within C++ Builder that provides a set of visual and non-visual components to build Windows application. So these components, which we'll be seeing very soon, are like forms, buttons, edit boxes or text boxes, check boxes, and everything to build and run an application in Windows. So today let's just begin with a new project, a VCL project. You can just come on the VCL tab here, create a new project, VCL application, then OK. Let's just wait for it to open up. Okay, so this is our form. VCL project consists of 3 files. We have a CPP file here where we'll be writing our codes mostly. We have our header files here to add units or identify objects on our form, and our design, which is our form, which is visual. So we have our form designer here, we have our tool palette here, project explorer, our property palette here, and our structure here, which lists all the objects on the form. So let's run it and see how it looks like. So as we see, our form is blank, and this is how it looks like, which is basically nothing. So let's do something with it. On our tool palette we can see few components: frames, pop-up menus, labels, edit, memo, checkboxes, radio button. Let's begin the simpler ones, which are edit boxes. So to add a component on the form, you can just drag it, drag and drop, or you can just double click it. So this is our edit box. You can see we have it uses a text property. This text property is what it is stored in the edit box. Hello. So we can drag a button. This is just a button. The text you are seeing in it here, button 1, it's a caption. You can just say anything, say hello. So let's create a simple program just to say hello world in the text, in the edit box here, using the button. So the buttons have events. All the components has events. We can use an event called onClick event, which activates the button when it is clicked. So we have events here like on drag drop, on drag over drop, but we want to use a simpler event, which is onClick event. This event, you can just double click here or double click on the button. So to do that in programming, you have to name your components so that it is easier when you are coding. So to name components, you can just come on the property explorer here and search for the name. Like our edit box here is called edit1. You can just call it edit hello. Our button here it's called button 1. You can just call it button hello. So let's try our first code. Double click on the button, we come on our coding area. You can just write edit hello. We use these symbols to reference on our properties, methods, and everything that is connected on that component. So we are referencing on our text properties. This is the property that will be shown when the button is clicked on the edit box. So we want it to say hello, welcome to C++ to the tutorial. That's it. So let's run and see how it does. So our default text was hello, which we entered last. So let's click our button and see if it says hello, welcome to C++ Builder tutorial. Boom, that's it. It says what we said it will be. So our next component, let's see what we'll do on our next component. We can use a label. A label is just a component that explains more about what is going on, just like a placeholder. So a label uses a property called caption to showcase text on it. So here we can say C++ Builder tutorial. When we run, it will show this to the user. There we go. That's our label. But you can change it. You can tell it when the form runs, it should change dynamically to a new property, a new text, anything you want.